Alright guys, what's up? Today we're building a second computer. Alright, so as you know, well you may not know, but I edit on a computer that's just over there behind Dylan. Built about 2.5 years ago, 2 years ago. It was my first build, followed steps from YouTube and built it because I didn't want to pay a ton of money for an expensive Mac.
True.
Dylan's been using a laptop to edit on. Show them this. And it's a beast of a laptop. It's worked well. Not sure exactly what it is, but we'll link it. Asus something. It's nice, 4K monitor. It's a beast. It's a really powerful computer. But
we're moving up.
When you're editing weddings and big files and, you know, intense 4K projects that we are starting to edit, laptops just can't handle it, and I can't handle all the edits on just my computer. So
power.
Yeah. So you need the power, you need the speed, it'll save us time. So we figured, why not build Dylan a computer? Alright, so we have two Samsung SSDs. We have one 250 and one 500.
Let's open them.
Let's open them.
Need a knife.
Yeah, there it is.
Alright, there it is.
The power source. We went with the EVGA Supernova 750 G2. While Dylan's working on the power supply, getting that out ready, I'll move on to the cooler. This is going to be a Corsair H105 water cooler Hydro series. It's actually the same one I have in my computer. What you got? Nice.
There she is.
There she is. Looks cool.
Supernova. Charged up.
Alright, so here's the water cooler. I do know you have to be careful with this because there is liquid in these cords. Here's the two fans that it came with. Alright, moving on.
Next we have the Asus GeForce GTX 1050 Ti.
Oh, this is actually a part that we went a little bit cheaper on as a graphics card. Some people are obsessed with having high-end graphics cards, but for what we're doing with the video, it doesn't affect it too much. I don't know, I might be wrong, you can let me know. And apparently this runs right off the power of the motherboard, which is nice. The motherboard, we got Asus Prime Z270A. Yeah, it's a good one, I think.
The motherboard. Here we got the processor. Intel Core i7.
Always a good thing to have. And the case. Dylan and I went with matching cases. I actually transferred mine from my old case, which was an NZXT full-size tower, to this case because it's a lot smaller. Save some space. It's
Looks
got a
nice.
Cool clear glass design. There she is. And let's get to the build. Okay, first up, number one, we're gonna put the processor in. Open this up. I'll take this plastic cap off. You kind of want to just like drop it in and you get really, really close. Top print's off. Push it forward.
I didn't touch that.
The right side needs to go up a little bit.
Alright, so this is the RAM I've chosen, LPX DDR4.
Now what, pull it out a little bit.
16 gigs per package, and so I can easily...
Processor's in.
So, slight problem. We have to run to Red Barn real quick.
Hit a road bump.
Yep, let's go.
I met this guy.
Okay, at Red Barn now.
Okay, I Red Barn now.
Alright. Come on, Red Barn.
Let's
pull
go.
through, pull through, pull through. So Red Barn had what we wanted, but it was a little bit too nice. A little bit above our price range.
Yeah, a little bit more than what we needed.
Now we have to head to Adam's office quick, stop by and talk to him about a project coming up, and then we're gonna run to Best Buy and see if we can find some cheaper RAM.
This is my first time at the new space. So,
All right, quick detour. Wow, good spot, Adam. Quick detour. We gotta meet with Adam quick before we go to Best Buy. Look at this. How's it going?
I just provided us some Christmas music for you.
Hey vlog, missed you.
Hey, world.
here it is. This is it. This is nice. I'm wearing my Victory Monday shirt.
I see you.
I'm not wearing the shirt, but same.
Is that Tom Montgomery jersey?
It is.
Jimmy G looking good.
This is weird. This feels weird. Just feels weird. Feels off.
Doesn't feel right.
We're gonna
Several bad puns later.
How'd it go? It went well. Good to see you, Adam, and Shannon and Jimmy. And your new place is nice. But I still miss you guys. I'm still salty. I'm still salty about it.
All right, and we out to Best Buy. Okay, we're at Best Buy.
We're gonna go see what they got. Hopefully they got what we need.
We'll check back in if they have it. So you got what we needed. Best Buy coming through. Got a Vengeance Ram. Let me see that, Bill. It's not red, but it's black. So,
that's good.
but it's gonna work. It's the same quality as the one we ordered. Yeah, a little mix up there, but we got the Ram, and now we're going back to build. Okay, we got our Ram. We got a Ram here. This is what we went with. Focus. It doesn't fit. All right, onto the case now.
All right, we got the motherboard in.
These are the ones I'm not recording. In fact, that didn't look okay in here. And then USB, should we just pick one? This is in forever, so.
I might take this off.
What is it?
Here's your graphics card.
That's the one we went with. Hopefully it's good. Which slot you think it goes in?
Okay.
It's in? Feel like it snapped in all the way? Now it's definitely snapped in. So you can add. Piece back together real quick here. I'll show you the front in just a moment.
There it is.
There it is, all set. All right, we finished the computer. Hopefully it's all good. Dylan's gonna turn it on now. Hopefully nothing fries. Let's do it. Let's see.
Here we go. Here we go.
Turn that on. Oh, we got lights.
We got lights?
lights. Look at those.
We got lights. Ready?
Okay. Hit the
Moment
power
of
button.
truth.
Here we go. Put the monitor on. Moment of truth. See if it spins. The monitor. Oh! Oh! We built a computer today.
And it's working. So,
What do you
we're
think?
basically computer techs.
We did it.
We did
Look.
it.
Look. We did it.
Okay, so
Built
now
a
we have
computer.
2 computer setups for editing. We got this one back here, which is mine. And we have Dylan's now. We got the same case, a little bit different parts, but very similar. We're gonna link all my parts to my computer, and we'll also link all the parts to the computer we just built for Dylan. You can go check them out. Feel free to hit us up if you have any questions about them. We might know the answer, maybe not, maybe we will. But yeah, we just need beasts of computers that can pump through these edits and render videos and export quicker, save us time. And laptop wasn't getting it done. It's a good laptop, but wasn't getting it done. So hopefully these can improve efficiency and save us some time, and we'll have 2 powerful computers. So yeah, hit us up if you have questions. We're gonna set this up.